relic from a bygone age. The steamer's work is past. Perhaps you heard the story's end, if indeed you ever asked. Could Grandpapa remember when as a child you might have seen her in all her glory? Aye, a most romantic sight. To remote communities back in those piney days, the paddleboat the answer in so very many ways. The river and her tributaries to the interior supplied the means of trade and passage on which their lives relied. From Gulwan, the coastal lake, they steamed the river course, past rolling Downs historic towns, reached only else by horse. The landscape ever changing, where weeping willows wend, and tall cliffs at the Black Swan reach appear around the bend. There's no intrusive engine growl that no one could mistake. The churning paddles raising spray left sparkling in the wake. The only sign she's passing drifts behind her like a cloak, become a never floating veil, a plume of whitewood smoke. Reaching into drier parts, the country now defined by countless red regal river gums along the banks aligned. Boats in every season plied, even waters swelled by flood, and sometimes in the dry upstream left stranded in the mud. The paddlesteamer's glory days may have passed. Modern transport, road and rail ordained they could not last. Once proud vessels left to rot under some old willow tree, nostalgic relics now, all there remains to see. But some who would remember, dead to relive this dream, they restore the romance that was the past.